Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the new Benchmade Bugout that was released at the 2025 SHOT Show in Las Vegas. The new 535-09 has Redstone Richlite onlay, contrasting against the gray anodized 6061 T6 aluminum. It also includes orange anodized thumb studs and a backspacer. The blade measures 7.46 inches and is made from CPM S90V stainless steel. This is still a great, durable, but lightweight knife for hiking, camping, backpacking, or everyday tasks. The price and link are located in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to be alerted to new products like this that will be coming out here in the next few weeks. And make sure to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.